Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about if you're having trouble with EA Sports FC26 AutoHotKey error. This software cannot be used at the same time as the game whenever you're trying to launch the EA Sports FC26 on your Steam or on your EA app, and this is what you have to do. So only the one solution that you can try is all about if you're having the AutoHotKey. The issue is because of the AutoHotKey. So if you're having the AutoHotKey, turn it on like this. You have to close it, and that's not enough. You have to go over here in this particular arrow in the system tray, and the AutoHotKey might be running here somewhere else here. So if you find the AutoHotKey here, you have to remove it as well. So tooltip, right click, and you have to go for exit it, and you have to, if you find it, and also just go over here, search for the task manager, click on the task manager over here. Now expand this. Now if you find the AutoHotKey running here in the task manager, you have to remove it as well. And that is not enough. And apart from this, if you have any kind of joy to key, jack score, if any kind of things is running in this task manager, you have to remove it. And also similarly, if you have rain meter or drop to via close both in the task manager. For me, I don't have it, but for some users, if you're having the rain meter or drop to top via over here, you have to remove it as well. And also you have to close the 3xs software support app if using this app. That is also very important. And also close any game companion app. That is also very important. So the one thing is all about if many unwanted things, if it's running in the background, that's going to bring you a lot of trouble, and that can be removed from here. That is the only solution so far, and you can try this out. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye.